Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to connect an O2 sensor wire. First, identify the correct sensor type for your vehicle's make and model. It's crucial to match the sensor to your car's specifications to ensure proper function. Next, locate the old sensor and its wiring harness. This will give you a clear visual reference for the new installation. Always double-check that your replacement sensor is an exact match before proceeding with any work. Before you begin, gather all necessary tools. You'll need an O2 sensor socket, typically a 22mm size, along with wire strippers and crimpers. Safety is paramount, so always disconnect the negative battery terminal first to avoid any electrical issues. Remember to wear your safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from potential hazards during the installation process. Being prepared makes the job much smoother. Now, let's get to the wiring. Carefully cut the old sensor wires, ensuring you leave sufficient length on the vehicle's harness for new connections. Strip approximately 1/4 of an inch of insulation from each wire end, both on the vehicle side and the new sensor. Match the new sensor wires to the vehicle's harness. Typically, 2 white wires are for the heater, a black wire is for the signal, and a gray wire is for the ground. Once the wires are matched, secure them using heat shrink butt connectors or by soldering, and then insulating with heat shrink tubing. This creates a durable, weather-resistant splice that will last. Double-check that all connections are tight and properly insulated to prevent any shorts or corrosion. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal, start your engine, and monitor your vehicle's diagnostic system to confirm the new O2 sensor is functioning correctly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.